What's up world, I'm Mr. Vaca, and today's gonna be a little bit of a different video. If you follow any of my social media accounts, like on Twitter, at Mr. Vaca YT, or on Facebook, Bill Vaca, you will see that I have been accepted into the Google for Education Certified Innovator Program, also known as the Virtual Innovator Academy 20. So once we started this program just a few weeks ago, Google for Education sent out every single innovator a swag box. We got this box and I have no idea what's in it. So today's gonna be an unboxing video to see what we are going to kick off this innovator program with. This program again is about 3 months long. It's kind of like taking a college graduate course where you're gonna learn all about what it's like to be a Google for Innovator. We just learned about the Future Design School. It's really exciting, really fun, and I'm gonna be documenting the journey with today being the very first day with checking out what's inside here. So without further ado, let's get this bad boy open. Oh, I like that. You don't have to use a knife or anything. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. It's a full-on backpack, but it feels way too heavy to be just a backpack. Oh man, check this bad boy out. The Certified Innovator Program. I love that logo. Oh, this is too cool. All right, let's see. What do we have inside here? Oh, the quality is top notch. What? I'm gonna start off with Sharpies. That's so cool. Maybe it's like a little play on words that were like sharp or something. I don't know. Sharpies. All right, great first start. Next up. Ho, ho, ho. Check out this water bottle. This is insane. Try and get a close-up of that. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna be staying hydrated and styled now, baby. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, of course, for the Sharpies, we have some Post-it notes, and this is in a box. Oh, no way! It's a Certified Innovator Program timer, because in a lot of the classes that we'll be doing, we are going to be using timer like 5 minutes, then come back. All right, we got even more stuff. Whoa, this is so nice. It's a notebook that says Certified Google for Education. Come on, camera. There we go, the Certified Innovator Google for Education notebook. I can use this for all the notes that I have to take in our class. Whoa. But wait, I saw 2 more things in here. I still got 2 more things. What? Another one. This is a story planner. Oh my goodness. So, this. Oh my goodness. It literally has the entire project guide. I don't think you can see it. The entire project guide on how to plan your stories and your projects with an elevator pitch. Oh, this is amazing. This is exciting. That's like, I feel like that's a leather material right there. They don't play around over here. My goodness gracious. Great balls of fire. I think I'm saving the best for last. Let's see what we have here. Dun, 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 dun. Yes! And it didn't come in pieces like some of our friends in our cohort. It is the Google for Education Certified Program. Come on, focus on it. Focus on it. The Certified Program coffee mug. This is what I'm gonna be using to keep myself awake for all the late night studying, video editing, all that fun stuff. And I know that Bethany, you're probably gonna be using this, what, 6-7 times a day? That's awesome. Thank you so much, Google for Education and the team behind their Certified Innovator Program. This is so cool. What a fun way to kick off the new school year, and the VIA 20 cohort. This is going to be such an exciting year. I can't wait to share with you all the crazy fun things that we're doing here at Mahonison at the Center for Advanced Technology on the VIA 20 cohort, everything that's going on. So please, if you like any of this and you want to see some more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up, and the bell so that you are notified of any future videos that come out. And if you like this video or have any questions at all, leave a comment down in the box below. Thank you again, Google. Thank you again, you. And thank you again to everyone that's helped make this one of the most exciting new opportunities in my entire life. So thanks again for everything. Don't forget to work hard, play hard, and I'll catch you next time.